Scientific research shows that chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo physically changes your brain, reducing stress and increasing focus. In this video, we're looking at the brain scans and studies that prove it. For thousands of years, people all over the world have chanted mantras. This means repeating special words or sounds that have a deep meaning. When you chant, it's believed to create a powerful vibration inside you and all around you. This can have a big positive effect on your mind, your feelings, and your body. People have used mantras to learn more about themselves, to grow as a person, and to heal. So let's dive deeper into the science behind mantras. Mantras aren't just random words, they have a purpose. When you chant, you create a steady, focused vibration inside yourself. Scientists have discovered that this can have a big effect on your brain. It actually turns on the parts of your brain that help you relax, pay attention, and control your feelings. Studies show that chanting can help you feel less stressed, worried, or sad. It helps your mind and body relax and feel balanced. Now, let's look at one special mantra, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo.
Predominantly been an atheist ever since I was old enough to make up my own mind. But I've always felt that there was a spirituality in me, if you like. And I was drawn to the philosophy of Buddhism.
And see what scientists have learned about how it affects us. This mantra comes from an important Buddhist text called the Lotus Sutra. It's said to hold the main ideas of truth and wisdom for the whole universe. When you chant it, it's a way to connect with that great wisdom. So, how does it work on our bodies? Chanting helps switch your body from fight or flight mode to rest and relax mode. This lets your body balance itself and heal naturally. Chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo can even help lower your heart rate and blood pressure. It also changes your brainwaves. Studies using special caps that measure brain activity show that chanting creates more of the brainwaves you have when you are calm, relaxed, or learning something new. When your brainwaves work together like this, it can help you think more clearly and focus better. It's like unlocking the smart and wise part of yourself that's already inside you. The practice of chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo can lead to big psychological benefits, helping you feel happier and more in control. It promotes a positive mindset and a sense of calm. Regularly chanting this mantra can help reduce anxiety and feelings of depression. It builds your emotional strength. It also helps you become more mindful, which means you're more aware of the present moment. This allows you to let go of negative thoughts and focus on the here and now. Ultimately, by practicing Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, we can understand ourselves better, feel more compassion for others, and build a deeper connection with the world. The science is clear. If you want to experience these benefits for yourself, watch my guided chanting video right here to get started.